Hi, welcome to Glide Tech YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to play Roblox without downloading it. There are actually a few steps you have to take. The first thing you have to do is to go to any browser of your choice. For this video, I'll be making use of my Google. Just have to click on it. So right here, all you have to do is to type in easyphone.gg. Click on the first website here. You just have to scroll gently and click on play now. You see Roblox, you just have to click on the play now option. If you want to play, it will take you 30 minutes trial. If you want to log in, it will take you for 6 hours free day. So you just have to click on it and allow it to load. Log in this time. Type in your email address and your password for logging in to Roblox, and then you can now play Roblox on your phone without downloading it. So guys, that is it on how to play Roblox without downloading it. If this video was helpful, please do like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.